Okay, here are three factors that you have to consider when choosing right marketing agency for yourself. Number one, their knowledge. The agency owner should be knowledgeable, not only employees. Most employees in agency, they have bunch of works, like maybe 10, even like 50 works per employee. And then they are pretty much entry level in their area. So you're gonna believe that kind of services they provide. For me, I don't wanna like risk my business to like entry level like freelancers or entry level agency people. So all the time you should better to check out their social media if the agency owner is knowledgeable, especially the services knowledge that you are looking for. Portfolio is just portfolio. Number two, sometimes having agency like not great method for yourself because we could just hire freelancers because the employees in agents usually just check out like generally because they have bunch of clients going on. They sometimes even don't know what's going on in their work. So that's why I found my business as middle of agency and freelancer. So I'm the head of the marketing and also a owner of the agency. Number three, personalized strategy for your business. They have to explain what ideas they can deliver for your business. If not, you can get just general marketing strategy for yourself.